Welcome to Cougar Courses. Cougar Courses is a website used by instructors to deliver course content and materials to students, as well as graded items like assignments, quizzes, and discussion forums. You can get to Cougar Courses by following a link on the campus homepage or by typing cc.csusm.edu into your browser. You log into Cougar Courses from the Login button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Once you've logged into Cougar Courses, you can go to the My Courses item on the button bar at the top of the screen and choose the course that you want to do work in. This button bar at the top of the screen lists your courses, gives you a quick link to help on Cougar Courses, has some tools that you can use, and has a series of links to commonly used items in Cougar Courses. Also on this button bar is a place where you can change your user preferences, as well as access a number of other tools. But the most important part of Cougar Courses is the content in the center part of the screen. Most courses will have a news forum at the top of their screen, where your professor can send messages to the class and keep you updated on important things that are going on. Also, this is a popular place for a professor to post a class syllabus so that you have a paper copy of what's expected of you in the course. The center section of the screen is made up of a series of topics. Those topics can be content-based or time-based, like each week in the semester. Topics can contain a variety of different types of items. The first item in this topic is an external link that takes you out to a YouTube video. Just below it is another external link to a PDF document. And then the final item here, signified by this check mark, is a quiz. Quizzes may have time limits, and you can see that they can have multiple choice, true, false questions, and even essay questions. Here's another topic that has, once again, a link to an external resource. The hand holding a piece of paper is your clue that this is an assignment. And then also there can be discussion forums that could be graded by your instructor. There are other sections of the Cougar Courses page that you should pay attention to. The latest news block will show you the title of the most recent item in the news forum, so you can keep up on what's going on in your class. And there's an upcoming events block that shows you items that may be assignments or quizzes that are coming up soon on the calendar. Over on the left side of the screen, the administration block has something that's very important for students, and that's a chance to take a look at your grades. Before we leave, one important thing to remember is help is just a click away, where you can find a frequently asked questions page and guides to different features on Cougar Courses.